everyone, welcome back. Today we will be learning how to make a kite. Yes, and it's Independence Day, so we will create a kite with tricolor, for which we require the basic material sheet, pencil, scale and oil pastels and the marker to outline it. Okay, to start with it, we'll be using scale to make the kite. Okay, now the first step is from any one point we will be making a slanting line. We will be making a slanting line. I have made one slanting line. Now what I will do is I will make one more slanting line and we'll try that the lines are at equal points. Okay, so what we can do is we can make a straight line also, and we can make a point here and we can just make that line. So from the same point we will be making a line. So we got an opposite V, which is a very wide one. Now what we'll do is we'll join them at one point. So I'm making, and we'll try to make it like a straight line and take a point here. Take a point here so that it's easy for you to do that. And what we'll do is we will be making another slanting line. And now we have to join it from this point. So if the shape is accurate, your kite will look beautiful. If the shape is accurate. So this is the basic shape which we have done. Now what we will do is we will create the details in it, right? So for that what I am doing is on top I am making some triangles just to beautify my kite. And on sides also I'll make 3 triangles and 3 on the other side. And here I'll make a line, a freehand line, and I will make triangles on this line also. So that will be a beautiful kite which we will create, and I am making triangles on both the ends. Just keep making triangles. And we can color them beautifully. We can use different colors also, and we can create it only in tricolors also. So if you are making for the occasion of Independence Day, so what we can do is we can just create it in tricolor. So I have made a lot of triangles, and here I'll make one. Right? Okay, now what I will do is, my kite is not complete. What I will do is I'll make some cute eyes of my kite. So for that I'll make 2 opposite U, and I will make done is we have made 2 circles for these, and we'll keep them white so that they are for the eyes. We'll make an oval for the nose and a very big smile for my smiley for my right. Now what we will do is we will fill the eye area with this only. Okay, so I'm just filling the eye area, and the basic drawing is complete. But where is this kite? It's flying in the sky. So I'll make small little clouds around it. So we will make just a few clouds around it. That's it. Not very much, just few, so that we feel it's high in the sky, and you will love to create it, right? The basic drawing is done. Now what we will do is we can use one single blue color in it, we can use tricolor, but I will create a tricolor. So what I'll do is I will just create a line here to give it the colors of the flag. So the first color which we require is the orange color. I want you all to take out your orange color and we'll fill the orange color here. Now while filling the colors, make sure you do it in one direction, right? And do it neatly and nicely. Don't take it on the eyes, please leave that area and then color it, right? And keep doing it nicely and neatly. That is what is required. So this will be a tricolor kite which is flying high in the sky, telling us all about the freedom which is there and which we enjoy, right? So the importance of the Republic Day and Independence Day and the freedom of our country. So this will make us feel proud and we will create this tricolor. Now we'll keep it white for the white color and we will use the green color for the bottom part. So I am using a green color for the bottom part. And it will give a beautiful effect to our painting. So I have done a green color. We can also give some shades, but I am not doing it. I am making it very simple. For the nose, I'll use this red color. For the clouds, we can keep them white also, and we can use different colors also. Now what I will do is I'm using the same orange and green color for our these parts of our kite. So orange color, green color, one more green color. Okay. Now I'm doing one orange, so I'll do the alternate color. I'll do two orange, I'll leave one for the green color. I'm not using the blue color. The only reason behind is I will be using the blue color in the background, so I'm not using the blue color here. I'll use the simple colors, orange, white. So basically the tricolor feeling is around in the air, and we will salute the nation. And I'm doing a orange color here. So it depends. Now I'll again do the green color. I can also take a dark green for this, just to give a change. So I'm using the dark green here. We can give shades in the sky, we can do a single color in the sky. So it depends upon you how you are doing it, and do it neatly and nicely. Be patient while coloring. Don't be in a hurry to finish it, is what I want to tell you. Now here we can also change the colors. I can use a red color, and I am using some pink color for it. So I am using some pink color. I am not giving all the colors as tricolor colors. And now what we will do is we will color the background. Now what we can do is we can take any blue color and we'll fill the background color. We are not giving any shades in it. We'll just fill it with a simple blue color. So our tricolor kite is ready to fly, and it's flying in the air. So I'm just doing a very simple blue color here. We can also do shading if we want, but here today I am doing just simple blue color. And for the clouds we can leave them white also, and we can give a little bit shade of white and grey. I'll just tell you how we'll do that. So it will give a very beautiful effect to our painting, and it's looking like a complete composition. So what we are doing is we are creating a complete composition. Simple blue color, fill it very neatly and nicely. And you will be able to do it. You can also change the colors of these bottom strings if you want. You can use multicolors also, but I am doing it with the blue color. With the colors of our flag, right? Orange and green, orange, white and green. So I have used those colors. Not giving much shades, very simple drawing, very simple way to color it. And make sure you leave the spaces around, okay? Don't overlap it. And try and use oil pastels that give a very beautiful effect to these paintings, and it will look amazing when you color it, when you fill the colors around. Very simple yet beautiful, right? I know you all will enjoy making it, and do share it with me. That is important. You have to be patient while doing this part, okay? Don't mess it around. Don't do it like you are overlapping it everywhere. I also made a mistake, but it's okay. Be patient while doing it. It will look nice for sure. See how simple yet elegant and beautiful. That is our simplest work which we can do. Right? Try and do it in one direction, but yes, of course, at places where there are remote corners and places where we don't have a lot of space, yes, you can always change the direction just to make it neat and tidy. We can keep our this area white also, or what we can do is we can use a little bit of gray color and white color. So this will give a very beautiful effect in our clouds. Just color them white. I'm just coloring them white and a pinch of gray color. Very little gray color I'm giving, and we'll just merge that. So it will give a very beautiful effect. See how I'll do it. I'll just add a pinch of gray color at the bottom side, and I will overlap the whole area with the white color. That will just give a very beautiful effect to our clouds. sparkle. At times we can use a little bit of shades of a blue color also. We can do that also, but I am using white and grey. So simple white color, fill the area with the white color and add a little bit of grey color. Here I have not colored it white, I have just left it like that. Okay, rest we will do it, and I'll just remove the tape and show you how it is looking. I'll just remove the tape and I'll show you. So my drawing is done, and I will just remove the tape and I will show you how it is looking. Now it's not necessary that you have to use the tape. It's completely okay if you are not using the tape, so no borders, that's it. It's okay, perfectly okay. So our beautiful flying kite is ready. You all can see that our beautiful flying kite is ready. Hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share it with me, and of course subscribe the channel if you have not done it till now, and follow us on Insta and Facebook page. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.